All right, hey guys, so this is a website that I used in middle school when we were learning about theory, and I've been using it to help me throughout this packet. It's called musictheory.net. So if you just go to the website, you should see this screen, and you're going to click on lessons up here in the left corner. Okay, once you're there, you're going to need to scroll down until you see the major scale, and you're going to click on the major scale. All right, so then it's going to bring you up to this page right here, and it says this is going to teach you about tetrachords and how to build them with the scale. So here you see the whole, half step pattern. So this right here is going to be one tetrachord, and this is going to be another tetrachord. It's going to be separated by this whole step. You know this because there's going to be a note right here to a note right here, and there's a whole step between them, note right here, and so on. And you can see that here as it shows the note, and then another note, and then another note. And it'll go up the scale. So this is in C, and this just shows you what the scale would look like in terms of the whole half step pattern. So here you go. You can listen to it if you need to. I should play it for you. So that's an idea of what it sounds like. There's another one, E. It's the same idea, and you can see E flat, and you can see the whole and half steps between it. And that should be all you need for this, but when it's asking you on the Grace, when it's asking you on this packet that you had here, the pattern, you can see here you had it correctly, it's the whole half pattern. Sorry, one sec. Okay, so when you're filling out this part of the packet in tetrachord rules, you have the pattern right. It's just, oh, yellow is probably not going to work. It's just whole, one sec. It's just going to be whole half, but you had correct. And then the direction, it's just moving up on the scale, which you can see in that musictheory.net website. Number of pitches, there's going to be 4 in each, which you saw separated by that whole step, half step. So you're going to have 4 here. Or on the staff, I'm just saying that it's going in stepwise motion adjacently on the staff. But I'm not sure if that's exactly right, but that's what I'm putting. So I'm just putting stepwise motion. Okay, so when you're building it, I'm just going to do one example so you can see it, and then you can fill out the rest on your own. I'm going to start on A. So when you're trying to write this tetrachord, you're going to have your 4 notes, and your first one's going to start on A, since you're building an A tetrachord. So put it right there on your A, and then there's going to be a whole step between A right up here to B. And there's going to be another whole step to C, except for B to C is not actually a whole step, so you're going to have to add an accidental, which means you're going to want to add a sharp here on your C. And then you get your half step in between C sharp and your D. So that's one example.
You could also maybe say if you're not sure about whole and half.
So there's that first example, and you can fill out the rest hopefully from that. Just remember, something that helps me is thinking about a piano. A whole step, like from C to D, has a black note in between it. E to F, which is a half step, does not have a black note in between it. So that's how you know if it's a whole or a half step. All right, guys, hope that helps. Bye.